We got good, amazing trading strategy here with pocket option. We have our 10 seconds time frame with a chart type of Heikin Ashi. We also attach the Parabolic Sar as our secondary indicator to our strategy. But it's optional if you know the market trends well. We have our acceleration of 0.042 with a maximum acceleration of 0.5. With this indicator, it will filter most trades that not well balanced with their trend or in high volume market. We used our top performer indicator, the RSI Alert Signal Indicator, which is good in finding reversals and trend market possibilities with its advanced trading algorithm. We have received our Euro to CAD currency pair for a sell signal. Let's dive in and take a look at its chart. Our parabolic SAR is going downtrend. Let's follow the trend and the RSI alert signal. This trend alert strategy is setted by its optimum settings in our RSI alert indicator. Let's go to our indicator list. Then change the settings of our RSI alert indicator settings. We have the RSI period of 23, downtrend signal of 60, and oversold level of 40. We got sell alert for our GBP AUD. Let's check for it. We found out that the parabolic SAR is going down. Let's go trade going lower. We may be losing on our first trade, but we already having positive trading results over our past trades. Got loose on that Euro CAD. Amazing finish and got a win for our GBP AUD. We got another trading alert. USD CHF has sell alert. Good trading result. Download the RSI Alert Indicator and change its settings to maximize trading performance. See the rest of the video and don't forget to subscribe with us to get latest strategies with pocket option.